Welcome back, everybody, to the 2000 Cayley paper. That's the grade 10 level contest. And we're on to question number 3, which looks like an interesting little geometry question. In the given diagram, the numbers shown are the lengths of the sides. What is the perimeter of the figure? So the perimeter, we add up all the side lengths. Okay? We know that we have a 2 here, a 3 here, a 2 here, and a 6 here. But we have a couple of these ones missing. Okay, so we want to figure out what are these unknowns. Now, fortunately, we don't need to reason or show our work. I mean, I'm going to show my work, but I'm going to do it with a verbal explanation. We don't need to do written proofs here. This is the multiple choice contest. We're just concerned with final answers. So, I think this is a 2. Then we have a 6 here. And then we have a 2 here and a 3 here. Let's just make sure we have the diagram correct before we move on. 3, 2, 2, 6. Absolutely. Alright, so notice, we'll use some color here, that because they're perpendicular, this length plus this length is going to equal this unknown side length, which is 5. Okay, if we were doing a written style solution, let's use orange for the next one, we would probably have to argue something about the right angles and something with rectangles. We really would. We would probably draw a dotted line in here, break it up, and say that's 3 and then it's 2. But we don't have to. This isn't a written style question. We just want a final answer. And this is question number 3. So we really shouldn't be spending so much time on it. All right, now we want this one here. Well, this 6 is represented partially by this 2, and then there should be a 4 in here, so that 4 plus 2 gives us this total value of 6. Now the perimeter is the sum of all these values. So perimeter is 2 plus 5 plus 6 plus 2 plus 4 plus 3, and that's just a straightforward calculation. You can either do it by hand or by calculator. I noticed that there's an 11, so that's 13, and then plus 9, so it should be 22. Okay, so we'll look for 22 in our little answer key. If we don't find it, that means we've done something wrong. We have to go back and double check our work. C is 22, so that should be the right answer. Of course, there's always the chance that we've screwed up, we've misreasoned, or we've made a calculation error, but it's always a little bit reassuring to know that the number that you think is the answer is actually represented. Of course, when they make up these contests, they do go through them and they do make a single arithmetic error or a single silly reasoning to get these fake answers. But still, very reassuring. It means that we're at least hopefully on the right track. So C is our answer for question number 3, and I'll see you guys for question number 4 in the very next video. Thanks for watching.